Securing a role as a construction project manager in Ontario is more than just having the right credentials. While a degree and certifications can open doors, it's real-world experience that truly sets you apart. In this video, I'll guide you through the essential steps to land that dream job, with a special focus on why hands-on experience is your most valuable asset. A solid educational background is often the first step. A degree in civil engineering, construction management, or a related field is typically required. And while certifications like PMP, Gold Seal, or LEED can certainly enhance your profile, they're not the be-all and end-all. These credentials are just the starting point. What really matters is how you apply this knowledge in the field. Experience is where you'll distinguish yourself. Employers are looking for candidates with 5 to 10 years of experience in construction, including roles that involve supervision or management. But don't be discouraged if you're just starting out. Begin your career in junior positions like a site supervisor or assistant project manager. These roles offer invaluable on-the-job learning that no classroom can replicate. Internships and co-op programs are also fantastic opportunities to gain practical experience. They not only help you build your resume, but also allow you to network with industry professionals. Remember, your ability to manage budgets, schedules, risks, and teams effectively comes from doing, not just knowing. In addition to experience, key skills like project management, technical know-how with tools like AutoCAD or Microsoft Project, and strong communication abilities are crucial. But don't overlook the power of networking. Join associations like the Ontario General Contractors Association or the Canadian Construction Association. Attend industry events and be active on LinkedIn. These connections can be just as important as any certification. When it's time to apply for jobs, focus on roles that align with your experience. Customize your resume to highlight the hands-on work you've done, and be prepared to discuss specific projects during interviews. Employers want to see how your experience translates into real-world success. In the end, credentials can only get you so far. It's your experience that will truly drive your career forward as a construction project manager in Ontario. So, invest in gaining that practical, hands-on experience and build a strong network within the industry. That's the real key to securing the job you want.